Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix if Siri is not working on your iPhone or iPad device. If Siri is not working on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here we have to setting on your iPhone device. Then after that, here we have to scroll down, then tap on accessibility on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here we have to scroll it down, and here we have to search for sound recognition. Here tap on this, and then here you'll have to turn this toggle on from here. So after that, go back again, open setting. Then here you'll have to again scroll it down, and here search for Siri. Here is Siri, we have to tap on this. Then after that, here you can see that here is the option of language. Here you will have to select your language. Make sure that you have selected correct language from here. Then after that, here you will have to tap on listen for, tap on this, and here you will have to select this one from here. So here you will have to set up this from here. Here after that, go back, and here you will have to again open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you will have to again scroll it down, and here we have to tap on privacy and security. Then here we have to again scroll it down, and here we have to search for microphone. So here we have to search for microphone, here microphone, and here make sure that microphone is not blocked from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here we have to move to the next solution. Again open setting, then here make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here we have to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here turn off mobile data and turn it on again. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, tap on general, scroll it up, then here tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, here we have to close this tab. After that, here we have to force restart iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to enable the Siri on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.